Hi, Clint. Hi, Clint with Indie Shooter, continuing our coverage of NAB 2018. Here again at the Adamus booth with Mark. And Mark, one of the things that dropped at NAB this year was ProRes RAW. And I'm hoping you can explain to us exactly, or just a little bit about the format.
Sure. So ProRes RAW, I think, is just an evolution of codecs. Everyone that's in the industry should be RGB video. What it's doing is it's leaving all of that data open all the way through to the end of the process. So amazing performance, ProRes RAW, and all of the flexibility that you're used to with RAW codecs without any of the technical stuff that sort of blocks you from your creativity. So huge move forward. It's quite difficult to comprehend how simple it is. You know, you kind of have to unlearn what you already know about RAW and think of this really as just dragging and dropping something on the timeline and moving things around. The workflow is so simple that I think this really is a big push forward for the RAW workflows.
So we think of RAW files, we think of individual pictures. Will this be more like ProRes where it's one single file? Or?
Yeah, it's any issues at all, so I think it's and that's at full quality, so pretty hard to comprehend how efficient this codec is.
In regards to file ratio and compare, all of the Adamus drives now, will they have the ability to utilize it?
Yeah, so essentially the way this works is that the Shogun Inferno and the Sumo 19 are ready for upgrade straight away to ProRes RAW. So that's simply a firmware upgrade. It's a free upgrade, and Final Cut Pro 10, the ProRes RAW implementation, is also a free upgrade. So uses all of the same infrastructure. You don't need any crazy add-ons. It's the same disks that you're used to using, solid-state drives. And yes, I think your infrastructure can remain as it is. So the cost of this in the long run seems to be a super affordable way to achieve RAW.
And so all of the different cameras that are out there, if they utilize the Sumo or the Inferno, they will be able to, no matter what their codec is natively, just like the other Adamus drives, they'll be able to record, but it
really unlocked now for this awesome RAW performance.
When do you think we're looking at the update?
Oh, it's available right now.
Oh, it is? So